Hi everyone, this is Station 1, Barrio Boy Reread. This is what you will be working on Wednesday or Thursday. So here are the directions. Students will read all these directions before they do anything else. Number 2, next the students will go to Google Classroom and the Station 1 Barrio Boy Reread. Next, the students will get out their In Pursuit book and annotations bookmark. Students will reread the story and annotate as they are reading. This will help them when they answer their questions on Friday. I know that you've practiced annotating particular paragraphs that you chose, but we're going to reread the entire story since it's been a week or so since we've read it. And I want you to make sure that you have a good understanding so that we can answer the questions starting on Friday. I don't want you working ahead on the questions. So if you go to Google Classroom, you're going to see Barrio Boy. You'll see Station 1 Barrio Boy Reread. And it has the link to ConnectEd. It has your reread annotations and annotations directions, which I have laying on the table. And it has your annotating bookmark. If you can't find it, you can click on it. Okay, so I'm going to click on my ConnectEd. And I'm going to go in. Bear with me. Bear with me because I have a few extra steps than all of you do. So I'm going to go to Barrio Boy. You can read it on the Chromebook or you can read it with your workbook. It's totally up to you. Okay. So I got to the tab that I'm at. Okay, so this is from part 4, Life in the Lower Part of Town. It says, the two of us walked south on 5th Street one morning to the corner of Q Street and turned right. Half of the block was occupied by the Lincoln School. It was the 3-story wooden building with 2 wings that gave it the shape of a double T connected by a central hall. It was a new building, painted yellow with a shingled roof that was not like the red tile of the school in Mazelton. I noticed other differences, none of them very reassuring. We walked up the wide staircase, hand in hand, and through the door, which closed by itself. A mechanical contraption screwed to the top shut it behind us, quietly. Okay, so I just want to give you a little bit of an introduction, but we're going to read it all together as a group in our groups. And then we're going to talk about it. Now, if you want to, I really want you to practice annotating in the workbook for this first time. If you remember just a couple things, numbers, it'll number the paragraphs. View all, it'll show you if you had any annotations. And then you have your annotation. So you can click and you can annotate. And then and it'll play for you. But we're going to actually read it together today, just so that we can stop and talk about it, make sure everybody has a good understanding. So then you'll be ready for on Friday, answering the comp question. I don't want you to work ahead. Please don't submit because it's just going to make more work for you. You're going to end up writing the questions on paper, and I don't want you to have to do that. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Oops. Sorry, guys and ladies. Click on the wrong thing. So there is your directions for today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you have a great day.